Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You're signed in, the AI add-in is enabled, and permissions are granted. Once that's confirmed, open your document and state the goal in 1-2 sentences. This guides the AI. Next, provide a concise outline or a sample paragraph so the model matches tone and structure. Make sure to pick any preset template or model option. This affects length and style. Finally, click Generate or ask to produce the first draft, and prepare to iterate. Once you have the initial output, focus on controlled editing. You can select text and ask the AI to rewrite, expand, or condense. This keeps the core idea intact. Make adjustments to model settings, lower temperature for precision, higher for creativity, and set target length. Then apply word styles and headings so AI-generated text inherits document formatting. Use track changes and comments to compare versions. This helps you understand why edits improve clarity. To complete the document, run grammar and readability checks and verify factual claims or citations. Then finalize formatting, fonts, spacing, headers, and a table of contents, so the AI text matches the document style. Save a version copy, export to PDF if needed, and share with collaborators using comments or track changes. If the AI output stalls or behaves oddly, clear the add-in cache, restart Word, and rerun the prompt. That single troubleshooting step resolves most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.